Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at this electric arc lighter. An arc lighter? What's that? Well, it's kind of an electronic candle lighter or cigarette lighter or whatever, and it's using electronic power instead of gas or matches or a traditional lighter. And it's pretty cool, actually. It's almost like you're playing Star Wars. You got this button over here, and it's safety locked, of course. When you open it, you get the charging status down here. As you see, it's almost fully charged, and you can just press this button. And you got this lightning electric bow. It's called an electric light bow, apparently. Well, it looks pretty cool, and it actually works, and I'm going to show you that. Also, this is the packaging. It's also included with a USB-C cable because, what do you know, it has USB-C. Okay, let's demonstrate. We got this candle, we got the arc lighter, and it works. Safe way to light your candles. Use it on your cigarettes. I don't know. I probably would only use it on candles because smoking is bad, boys and girls. All in all, this is a really great product. It's really fun for a candle lighter. It actually lasts pretty long. I didn't know it existed. And as I love candles, I also love this lighter. This, my friends, is a new product. It's a 5-star product. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And of course, check you later.